get inside the model with your video, you defamiliarize yourself. So you see the whole production in a different light. So you just have to also then we analyze and diagrams and tracing and so on. Then we use CAD to bring them. But again, it's not to recopy things, but rather to migrate to a different media. And every time you migrate, as you know, you have to translate and then you evolve. So that's what you see. It's several iterations of that process.
It's really exciting.
Excavated, but then all of a sudden it was hollow where it should be solid, and it loses the appearance of solid or void. You know, it's void where you want it to be void, solid where you want it to be solid. And if the solid part is also voided, that's kind of strange. You know, what's going on in there? You know, and you ask, well, is that supposed to be open? No. Well, why is it void? You know, it's supposed to be solid.
Right.
What we need to do, what's your name again? Beth. What we need to do is, okay, first to focus on what is the partie. The partie on this is not the tower.
No.
What is it?
The partie is the building.
The wall
it's
building.
Undulating.
It's the snake building.
Snake
That's the key. So that's the first thing we need to solve. Now, then the tower will talk to you. The tower will know what it wants to do.
Okay.
The same here. The tower is just off. And I think you have a point. This is a little bit too much, too heavy.
Yes,
You need
we
to perforate. But I think the ground is nice. I like the water idea. You know, you're on. You're on. Just keep it up.